In a galaxy burdened by despair, chaos, and haunting shadows of dominance, a figure of hope emerges. Commander Jesus, the star-born savior, a divine being sent by the architect, born to bring peace, unity, and purpose to a fractured universe. His journey, unparalleled and inspiring, beckons civilizations to lift their gaze from the darkness of tyranny to the light of love and redemption. This is his tale, reimagined through the expanse of stars. It begins on the humble desert planet Nazara, a barren mining world marked by the iron fist of the Galactic Dominion. Here, against all odds, a child is born, a moment proclaimed in whispers across countless systems. A cosmic signal draws 3 celestial travelers, wise sages, to Nazara. They honor the child, offering gifts that signify hope, knowledge, and protection. Prophecies of a star-born savior ripple through the galaxy, igniting both fear and hope, setting the stage for an odyssey that will forever change the cosmos. The years pass. Commander Jesus grows, dwelling in the modest life of a carpenter's family. Yet even here, his compassion and wisdom shine like twin stars. Whether mending broken tools or offering guidance to struggling neighbors, every action hints at a greater purpose. On one fateful day, a hidden corner of Nazara reveals the Oracle of Light, an ancient AI. It speaks of the architect's plan, unveiling his path to bring unity to civilizations torn apart. Commander Jesus gazes ahead and embraces his destiny. Guided by an unwavering inner light, he ventures to the planet Galilea 7, a lush water world brimming with bioluminescent life. On its verdant shores, he meets John the Voyager. Known as a spiritual nomad across systems, John baptizes Jesus in the sacred waters of eternity. As the waters part, a cosmic beam illuminates the heavens. A voice, deeply resonant and heavenly, declares, "This is my beloved Son, follow him." A mission has begun. Determined to carry his message beyond Nazara, Commander Jesus begins assembling a crew. Extraordinary beings bound by their newfound faith in a united galaxy. Peter, the bold starship pilot. Mary Magdalene, a seasoned smuggler seeking redemption. Thomas, the skeptical scientist yearning for truth. James and John, siblings from fishing colonies who pilot cargo ships with precision and loyalty. And Judas, a covert informant placed by the Dominion. Together with others, these 12 bring their uniquely diverse strengths, forming an interstellar family devoted to spreading light where shadows prevail. Their first mission takes place within a desolate moon, suffering from a toxic water supply. Here, Jesus performs one of his first miracles by transforming the poison into pristine, drinkable water. The moon thrives again, a symbol of resilience and divine intervention. His healing doesn't stop there. On another colony ravaged by a plague, he provides curative solutions, drawing followers and worshippers alike. These acts strengthen his presence. For the oppressed, Jesus is a beacon. For the Dominion, he becomes a problem. Commander Jesus' teachings fundamentally challenge the Dominion's reign. Across celestial gatherings, his message resonates. One of his most famous sermons, preached while he floats among the star fields of Elysium, sends ripples through the galaxy. He speaks of love, transcending borders, of forgiveness even in the face of betrayal, and of unity through diversity. His words captivate far and wide. Uprisings begin. People find courage and vision in his guidance. The Dominion, uneasy and threatened, brands him a revolutionary danger, declaring him the galaxy's most wanted outlaw. Judas, conflicted yet tempted by fear and greed, begins feeding secrets to the Dominion. His betrayal starts to thread the prelude of tragedy in Jesus' story. Despite mounting opposition, Commander Jesus' influence only grows. In a monumental act of compassion, he miraculously replicates food supplies for a stranded migrant fleet. Thousands of refugees, hopeless and adrift, find sustenance and faith in him. Another miraculous encounter sees Jesus walking the vacuum of space. With sheer force of will and divine physics, he journeys vessel to vessel, rescuing stranded lives and defying universal law. The rumored star-born savior is no longer under the radar. His efforts have united fractured alien races and oppressed colonies into a rebellion against the Dominion. But with unity comes risk. The Dominion intensifies their pursuit, crafting a web of betrayal. Judas accepts his unfortunate role to turn Jesus in. When the moment comes, it is on Gethsemane, a moon dusted with twilight blue sands where betrayal stings the air. Yet even here, as pod-sworn Dominion troops cuff him, Jesus responds with compassion. You are forgiven, as must be your heart. The echoes of the trial thunder across the galaxy. Brought before Governor Pilatus, the Dominion secures his execution, an act meant to quell revolution. Commander Jesus is led to the asteroid Golgotha, a barren rock serving as a chilling public spectacle. His energy disperses upon death, illuminating the galaxy in radiant light. But this is not an end. It's a transformative beginning. Within 3 days' time, Jesus rises anew as a celestial being of enhanced strength, radiating boundless love into every star system. Garrisons fall, colonies rise. His followers, once ordinary beings, are empowered through cosmic gifts, spreading unity, peace to all corners. The tale concludes with an ascension. Commander Jesus, his presence eternal, joins the celestial plane, leaving his crew with a charge. Continue the mission, for the galaxy must thrive in hope. Jesus' name becomes a whisper of reverence. His life, a seminal chapter in cosmic destiny.